Hello everyone. The Gauchi APEX 4 is finally here after much anticipation. I just got the product and I'm doing an unboxing with you all right away. It comes in a brand new packaging box with some product features explained on the back. Lightweight mountain terrain should focus on a lightweight trail running experience. Precise navigation must be a multi-frequency, multi-satellite positioning system. The APEX series has always featured offline maps. Voice interaction, we have already experienced this on Lumite. The watch supports voice tagging. The scientific advancement likely refers to the APEX training system. Mine is the black version with detailed model specifications below. APEX 4 46mm version, black silicone edition. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Still the eco-friendly packaging from Coros, 24mm strap. This time the strap is packaged separately. Let's first unbox the watch. There's also a film to peel off here. This time the packaging is quite thoughtful. Inside is the watch itself, and at first glance the style is very similar to the Vortex series. Coros APEX 4, let's peel off the film together. The watch button layout has changed, featuring a dual button on the side, along with a new button on the left, similar to the previous Coros Lumite, which was well received. The button on the left is very convenient to use and allows direct map switching. Let's take a look at the other accessories. Here are some stickers, the instruction manual, and the warranty card for the Coros APEX 4. Below is a new charging head from Coros with a storage clip. Below is a C port that can directly connect the phone charging cable. Here is still the classic 3-point charging head from Coros, and on the back is Coros's optical heart rate module.
Let's attach the watch strap and take a look.
The same new 24mm size as the Coros Lumite. Let's put it on. The watch is now powered on. For the this blade, the interior bezel has a slightly silver design with a bit of gloss. This ring should be made of titanium alloy, featuring the classic reflective screen from Coros. Let me show you how it looks on my wrist. My wrist is 16.5mm, and I've always worn a watch between 46 to 48mm. The strap is quite wide, between 22 and 26, paired with a 46mm dial. This is the Lumite from Coros. In comparison, the Lumite from Gauchi looks a bit more plastic. The APEX is positioned slightly higher than the Lumite. I will provide a detailed report on the product's usage experience as soon as it is released. In the coming period, I will use the APEX 4 to experience its features. That's it for today's unboxing. For a more detailed product report, stay tuned and see you next time.